Hey, today I need to chop some wood and I don't have an axe. So I'm gonna show you how you can do it without one. You'll just need a hammer, of course. If you have a big one, it's better. If you have a smaller one, you can do it anyway, but it will be harder. And then you'll need these pointy things. You can also build them out of wood if you want and if you need. Now, the plan is to create a crack in the wood with this little one and then insert a bigger one to completely open it. So you see the wood is starting to crack. Now we can put this big one. Now you can probably just open it with your hands, but if you have a bigger log, just put another one lower. And keep hammering until it opens to the bottom. Of course, you can repeat this process as many times as you need to get the size you want for the logs. Oh shit, I cut myself. And that's why you should always wear gloves if you can. Hope this will be helpful and see ya.